Right, a bit of progress. Taking the wiper blocks out of all four bearing blocks. There they are. So no wipers, and at the moment only this Y-axis motor connected, and if we go on there, that works. That works. I unplug that. Oh, difficult one-handed. Unplug this one in. That one works. Works as well as I would expect it to work. But now, if I plug this one in as well, so we've got both Y-axis motors in, and I'll come back so you can see. Doesn't work, hasn't got enough power. What I think is happening is, although on here we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 outputs, because my Z-axis would go in this one. There's the Z-axis motor. So if I plug that in there, into that, and I plug this into there, that would be all 4 of the motors connected. So 4 outputs. We've only got 3 controllers. And what's happening? That's my Y controller, or stepper motor driver. What it's doing is splitting the power between those two. So these motors are only getting half the power. When there's only one connected, finger out of the way, when there's only one connected, it works because it's getting full power. Connect to them both, it's only getting half the power, not enough power. That's a bit of a shame. Not helped by these still being quite difficult to move, even with the wipers off. They're still difficult to move. What I'm going to do as a test is to take those rails off, mount these rails, because these are nice and slidey, and see if those same motors can drive the gantry on those rails, if that makes sense. If they do, those rails are meant to go on the gantry across here and drive the X-axis across this way. So they're not long enough. This is 1.2 meters along there. I'll fit them on there to do the test. If it works, I will get 1.2 meter versions of those. It's going to take a while.